I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select a trigger SiteOrigin. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form and fill it out to retrieve the SiteOrigin. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Now here search and select GetResponse. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API token, please visit GetResponse API token. Click on Generate Key. Give the name of your key. Copy the API key and paste it here. Click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select Campaigns from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GetResponse. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to GetResponse. Navigate to the Bid Integrations list. Here is the data that came into GetResponse through the integration. Thanks for watching.